Is the Python project for data science course on Coursera actually worth it? And can it help you build real job-ready skills? In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review so you can decide if this course is right for you. Before we start, quick tip. If you're planning to follow a full data science path, Coursera Plus is usually the better option. You can take multiple courses and projects under one plan instead of paying for each one separately. I've linked it below if you want to explore it. Now let's talk about the course. This program is a Python project for data science by IBM. It has over 300,000 learners and a rating of around 4.5 out of 5 with thousands of reviews, so it's popular and well-rated. But here's something important. This is not a beginner course. It's designed as an intermediate-level project course, so you're expected to already know Python basics. In fact, it's recommended that you complete a Python fundamentals course before taking this. Now let's look at the structure. The course is short and focused, with only 2 modules. Instead of long lectures, it's mainly project-based. You'll work on a real-world scenario where you act as a data scientist or data analyst. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. You'll apply Python skills to real data tasks like data collection, cleaning, and analysis. You'll also do web scraping and build visualizations using tools like Pandas and Plotly. One of the key outcomes is creating a dashboard in a Jupyter Notebook, which is something you can actually add to your portfolio. This is what makes the course valuable. It's not about learning new concepts, it's about applying what you already know. Now let's talk about what you can do after this course. You'll have a real project that demonstrates your ability to work with data. This can help you when applying for roles like data analyst or entry-level data scientist. It also prepares you for more advanced topics like machine learning. But let's keep it real. This course alone will not make you job ready. It works best as part of a larger learning path, so you should combine it with Python basics and data analysis courses. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can follow the full path from learning Python to building projects without paying for each course separately. So, is it worth it? If you already know Python and want to build a real data science project, then yes, this is a great course. But if you're a beginner, you should start with a Python fundamentals course first. At the end of the day, your results will depend on how much you practice and apply what you learn. If you want to explore this course or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.